So email has been around for a very long time, and in this modern environment of Teams and Slack, it's surprising to think that email is still one of the most important communication mediums there is. But in a survey that we did of AEC professionals, we found that 9 out of 10 of them reported that email was still the most important communication medium. When you think about what's being communicated in those emails, it's stuff that's really important to projects. So it's requests for information, it's decisions that are being made, it's all of the day-to-day conversations that are going around a project. So capturing, understanding that information is really important. If you miss an important email, you're going to have an impact on project deadlines. You're going to perhaps have teams heading off in different directions because they've missed an important communication about change that's going to happen. So it's still surprising, but email is still 9 out of 10 people say the most important communication medium for AEC today.